see how we challenge it, because I really like enjoying it with all of you to challenge it with me, because sometimes we think it doesn't work, but hey, actually it's work. 60 seconds. And let's see, what color of fusioning would you like to see? Green or yellow? Because we have pink. Oh, blue. I can do blue. Blue, yellow. Got this too. Excuse me. Weird. Have a new perfume that smells like. Oh my god, so excited. It's delight and calming. Green. Okay. This is a green, thinking green. Three nails today. Thank you, Sarah, for mentions. Sarah for mentions that we have few set left for the class trainings in Ann Arbor. Let's see how this one is turning out. And it's gonna be in March 28th, 29th, and 30th. Oh. That is so freaking, like, it's really, you never, it's like really rare you see me doing it on the dark background. But hey, do not afraid of to challenge yourself. Everyone, just do it. When it's still wet, I'm gonna wait for just a second. It's okay. Now you all make me curious what it's gonna turn out. Again, it doesn't look good. It's all your fault. Just kidding. I will love it as no matter what. I will not blame on you. Okay, my secret weapons is always crystal clear. I can't go anywhere and can't do it really well with fusioning marble ink without this guy. Really pleased with this. So I'm gonna wipe off the brush almost. I'm gonna keep it here in a piece of paper so you can see that how I wiped out the extras residues from my brush. So then that way it would not contaminating into my back into my bottle clear. So you want to create the veins. You want to make sure that you gonna using it on the side and have a draw toward to center like you're doing on a boat, and draw your vein toward to the center to wherever you want your vein is to be. Oh, that is so awesome. Everyone, you ladies, you all rocks. Good. You know what happened? You lady did really good. And I don't know how it turned out, but I just do what you tell me to do. Is that funny? And I'm not afraid of to lose. Because when we play, we'll play to win, not to lose. Look at this. It's so stunning. It's all credit to all of you, ladies. See, that's how I love to go live, and you always my inspiration. Look at that. So stunning. Done. Ta-da! Yeah, it looks like tie-dye, but it's really stunning. It's really red. You're seeing it on the dark background. Usually we're doing on the white background or nude background with matte colors. It's really hard to pull it out from a dark background. We did this really well. You ladies, you did it. You are very welcome. This is all your credits, all to you. Okay, so what else do we have in here going on here? There's a lot of cool stickers. I got to like open some of them. Look at that. Do you want butterflies or flowers? And they're so easy to work with. Only using a tweezer and pick it and then just stick it right on. Does it glow under the black lights? Good question. Let's test it. Flowers. Actually, it does glow under the black lights. You can see that. It does. I can see it from here. Yeah, it does. Yeah, thank you, Sarah. Hi, Mick, how are you? We will eventually in the futures. Tanny, if you are having all of your group, your friends, that, you know, we have requests of 10 people and then we can get 10 people into your class and we're going to host a class in Arizona. Okay, what we're doing, flowers? Flowers? Flower on this, you mean? No, I mean on this. You want to see anything else on this? You want to do seeing a goal or you want to see this? I'm just curious. Let me play with this and then see how you think. No, I don't like, I'm not in the mood of the black color. But I will pick this one. Do you want to do this or flowers? Designer go. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Before we do that, yes, I'm gonna put some painting on it to give it some like soft look of my twin tip brush right here. Just give it a little bit. Give it a little bit. Hey, Mick. Thanks so much for tuning in, sweetie. I'm so happy and lucky to have Mick Joyce, our team here. Part of our team. We're so excited. Okay. Look great. I think it looks so cool. Okay, credit to all of you, okay? This is now, I should name it for all of you. I should put all of your names like initial first or last name or whatever it is and put it together and then put it as the name for this nails. 60 seconds for this nails. And then we'll put some designers. Maybe I know what to do though. I'm gonna do some bright colors. See, it's too many choices. Don't know what to get. Might as well get it all. It's stunning. Pink it my favorites. Threw an LV on that beauty and send me that one nails. I wish I would send it. I would send it to you. That is so stunning. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna get this yellow and see how this guy's yellows is gonna turn out. gonna do the ta-da. I'm getting the greens out. It's really easy to get it out. It's got a really strong background, so we see how it's gonna look so easy. And they're all really strong. Well, test the money out, this one. This color is so freaking strong. You might see it. That's one is stunning. Stand out. Really cool testimony. We'll play, hey, what the heck? So we wanna play together. It's so easy to do, everyone. Like, just like stick it on. Here, I'm like doing one hand. I can show you right there. It's so dark background. You can do this with white. I'm excited to see how the white's gonna turn out, though. I can't see it from far away. Ah, I got it. Just top coat it. Yes, I think it's a black one that stand out really good. I agree, Nuna. The sticker will be up really shortly. I just get a sneak peek for all of you. I can't wait till I'll figure out. I can't wait until like not sharing it with you. So I'm sneak peek. But it should be updated on the website tonight. So don't hesitate to check it back because there's so many of them, like so many different sunnies. This is one of them. There's a lot of them out there. Oh, somehow it got crashed. Sorry, Instagram. Hello, Instagram. Sorry, I don't know why. Hi, Pretty Nunas. I don't know what happened. It just crashed. It's somehow, maybe it's a connection. Hi, Spamolix. I'm gonna do the top coat on this. Thank you so much for tuning back in. I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. It crashed all of a sudden. We did really good this nails. Like, never seen the nails as so nice and vibrant and pull out the fusionings or marble look really good like this. Thanks to all of you ladies. Okay, here for 60 seconds and this nail will be completely done. Stay nice and flat. Hey, Fancy Fingers, how are you, sweetie? All right, we have a last nail. What you want to see in this?